Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best rear view mirror with backup camera that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Jansite 10-inch mirror dashcam night vision 1080p model, which is the budget option on our list at just $59.99. This device offers a dual 1080p front and rear camera setup, ensuring clear video recording day and night. Its 10-inch IPS touchscreen provides a wider view than traditional mirrors and makes navigating settings like exposure and brightness adjustments a breeze. In terms of design, the Jansite dashcam is lightweight at just 4.5 ounces and features a streamlined, modern look that fits well with most vehicle interiors. The build quality is solid, though the low price means it lacks some premium features like built-in GPS. Performance-wise, the night vision capabilities are impressive for this price range, capturing clear details even in low-light conditions. Parking assistance is another standout feature, with adjustable parking lines that make reversing much safer. The Jansite is ideal for casual drivers or those on a budget who need a reliable rear-view mirror backup camera. However, it does have some drawbacks, such as no GPS integration and a somewhat limited field of view compared to higher-end models. Still, for under $60, it's a great entry-level option with solid performance and basic features. Moving on to number 4, we have the Autovox T2 rearview mirror camera with a 4.3-inch monitor priced at $139.79. This model focuses on simplicity and integrates seamlessly into your vehicle with its OEM bracket mounting, giving it a clean and professional look. The backup camera is IP68 waterproof and equipped with 6 high-brightness LED bulbs, delivering superior night vision and ensuring that license plates and road signs remain visible even in low-light conditions. The compact 4.3-inch screen is a bit smaller than other models on this list, but it's perfect for drivers who prefer a minimalist design. The wired signal transmission ensures stable and lag-free performance, and the camera's CMOS sensor provides sharp and vivid images. Installation is relatively straightforward, requiring just a single wire connection to your reverse lamp or constant power source. This rear-view mirror camera is best suited for drivers looking for an elegant, no-frills option that prioritizes functionality over extra features. While it doesn't have recording capabilities or a large touchscreen, its robust build quality and reliable performance make it a solid choice for parking and driving safety. The lack of loop recording may be a downside for some, but its focus on being a dedicated backup camera is what sets it apart. At number 3, we have the Vmint 4K rear-view mirror camera, priced at $69.99. This mid-range option offers impressive value with its 4K front camera and 1080p rear camera. Delivering crisp, detailed footage, it comes with a 10-inch HD IPS touchscreen for easy control and navigation. And its voice control feature adds a layer of convenience, allowing you to perform functions like locking footage or taking snapshots hands-free. The design is sleek and modern, with the mirror integrating smoothly into your vehicle's interior. The included 32GB SD card is a nice touch, saving you the hassle of purchasing additional storage. Its night vision capabilities are top-notch, thanks to the f1.8 aperture, and the wide-angle lenses ensure comprehensive coverage of your surroundings. Parking mode is another highlight, offering 24/7 monitoring to keep your vehicle secure even when parked. The Vmint VT10 is perfect for drivers who want advanced features like 4K recording and voice control without breaking the bank. However, its build quality is slightly less robust than premium options, and its parking monitor requires a hardwire kit for full functionality. Overall, it's a feature-packed device at a very reasonable price. Coming in at number 2 is the Wolfbox G840S 12-inch 4K mirror dashcam, priced at $119.99. This model features an expansive 12-inch display, offering 1.5 times the viewing area of traditional mirrors, which reduces blind spots and enhances safety. The dual cameras provide 4K resolution for the front and 1080p for the rear, ensuring crystal clear image quality. It also comes with a 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi connection and GPS tracking, making it easy to access real-time data and share footage via the Wolfbox app. The G840S stands out with its superior night vision, courtesy of WDR and HDR technology that balances lighting for clear visibility in low-light conditions. It also includes a 24-hour parking monitor with time-lapse recording, keeping your vehicle secure even when parked. The device is built to last, with an upgraded USB-C power port that enhances stability and prevents overheating. This dashcam is ideal for tech-savvy drivers who want advanced features like GPS integration and Wi-Fi connectivity. However, its larger size might not appeal to users who prefer a more compact design. With its robust performance, excellent image quality, and user-friendly app, the Wolfbox G840S is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to upgrade their driving experience. Finally, at number 1, we have the Autovox T9, the premium option on our list at $169.99. This model boasts a 9.35-inch streaming media touchscreen that provides a wide and clear view of your surroundings, making it perfect for parking and reversing. The 1080p AHD technology ensures vivid colors and sharp images, while the Super Night Vision capability adjusts brightness automatically for optimal visibility in any lighting condition. The T9 is designed with stability and performance in mind, offering a wired connection that eliminates interference and lag. Its wide 140-degree viewing angle and customizable parking lines make it ideal for vehicles of all sizes, from sedans to SUVs. The loop recording feature is another plus, allowing continuous recording and locking emergency footage for added security. This rear-view mirror camera is perfect for drivers who want the best in terms of design and functionality. Its OEM bracket mounting ensures a seamless fit, and the robust build quality guarantees long-term durability. While it's the most expensive option on the list, the Autovox T9's premium features and reliable performance make it a worthwhile investment for anyone prioritizing safety and convenience. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.